Hello my viewers, welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to take a quick look at the Ferm Mini Chainsaw. It's sold by Action and the model number is CSM1051. It's a 12-volt machine and comes with a 3-year warranty. Let's open it up, take a look and do a quick test. So here we have it. Comes with a 12-volt 2-amp-hour battery. And here you have to charge it with the cable. USB-C. Leave that off. Here we have the blades, the chain. And here is the adjustment for the chain, so you can tighten it up when it gets loose. 91 decibel. We can test that. Safety button here. First you have to press the safety button before you can trigger. And I have to attach it proper. I have no clue why it doesn't go on. And there it goes. Nice. Let's take it outside for a test. See how it works. Okay, we're outside now. Small piece of wood. And it's all smoking, completely burned. So we are back inside. What I can say about this machine, I think it's crap. I really pushed it too hard. It got stuck in the wood 3 or 4 times and then it burned completely. In the beginning I did test on the smaller pieces of wood. It worked fine, but then it got stuck in the bigger wood and I really pushed it hard, I know. But it can also get stuck when you're cutting a tree or something smaller wood. And I think when a machine burns after getting stuck for 4 times and then the battery burns out, it's not a good product. So it got warm, it smoked, something is loose inside, so I think there is something got melted inside the battery. I'm trying to get a new battery and see if the machine still works, but for now my conclusion is don't buy this machine. It's weak, it gets stuck very quick, doesn't cut proper, and yeah, it's cheap. It's only 30 euros at Action, and it's definitely not a machine I would buy a second time. Let's open it up. Oh. I can see what the problem is already. I just forced it too much and then this came off, just melted. I have it here. So I think I have to order a new battery and then see if the machine still works. I hope so. So that's the problem. Don't push it too hard, otherwise the print will melt, will burn. Okay. I hope you like this video. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I would definitely love that you give a comment on this video, what you think about it. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching now, and see you next time.